Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and today I'm giving you a flip through of this 6 by 8 inch paper pad from Mintay papers, and this one is a tag book. So in this particular book they repeat the pattern, so there are 24 double-sided sheets, but there are 6 designs, so you'll get 4 of each design, which is really good value for how much they cost. And first of all, we've got the pastel tags 1, pastel tags 2, and then there's colourful tags. Aren't these gorgeous? Numbers 1 and 2, and then the next 2 are neutral tags 1 and 2, and then it repeats again all the way through the book. And they're a really thick paper, so they're really lovely. And what I like about these especially is that when you cut them out, which I'll do that now, you actually get a lovely pattern or colour or whatever it is on the back. This one, because it's the pastel tags, has got this beautiful teal colour on the back, and there is actually a pattern through that, whereas the colourful tags has got the bright green on it. And they, as I said, they are really thick in terms of the paper that they used on these. Because of that, they make lovely tags. You don't need to back them with anything because they're already got a pretty colour on the back, and they're thick enough that they can go into a junk journal and be freestanding. So I bought a couple of packs of these for myself, and if you're interested in this, you can check them out. I'm sure that there are different places that have them. They're Mintay papers, so whoever sells Mintay papers has probably got them. I bought mine from my local scrapbooking shop, which is only about 20 minutes away from me here in the north part of Brisbane, and that's called Bella Paperie. I know you've heard me mention that before. I actually teach at this Bella Paperie as well. But there you go, that's pretty easy to get yourself a nice tag. Now you could punch a hole in that, you could put a ribbon on it, you could stack a couple on each other. But that's all I wanted to show you today, was really how lovely this new edition of the tag book. It's only just been released from Mintay Papers, and that's all I've got for you today. So this is Deborah. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.